All right, so this is my friend Lewis's car. He's been hearing some brake squeak, and I took the whole brakes apart. He had this shit done at Honda, so 440 Metro Honda did this, just to let you guys know. So I looked at the whole shit. I don't find nothing wrong with it. This is his brake pads. Look at that. She got more meat than my cheeseburger. And those rotors are still good. And I was putting this shit back together, and then I found something. I'm gonna show you guys what I found. Hold it right here. Hold the camera right here. So you see this? Every time I do a video, I tell you guys this thing cannot be out like that. You look how far that out is. That's about almost a quarter of an inch. Look at this side. It's flush. So this thing is hitting. It's shiny. You can see it's shiny right there. It's been hitting the rotor. So I'm gonna fix this shit right now for Lewis and charge him probably like $500. Right there. It's almost fixed. All right, so I'm gonna have to take it apart, probably fix it. So it's gotta go more in. And what it was doing was, this is what it was doing. Was that the noise you was hearing?
Yep.
It sounds like a cat. All right, this is the noise you was hearing. So it's gonna be fixed, so just take care of your shims. This is the hardware kit right here. So all three are good. This side is good, this side is good. This is good, but this hardware here doesn't look so good. It's kind of bent, but I'm gonna just bang it a bit and straighten it up. That's it. Bada bing, bada boom. Quick fix. Fix your hardware.